Hi guys, happy Flex Friday. Today is Flex Friday, meaning it's your turn to catch up on any NTIs you may have or retake any assignments you'd like, okay? If you don't have any retakes you would like to do or any NTIs, you can also get started on your final study guide, and I'll have that posted soon. The key for the final study guide will be posted on Monday, so you guys can check yourselves. And I'm posting the study guide today so you guys don't get as overwhelmed with your other finals. So our next order of business, I want to let you guys know, is that your final is May 18th. So if you guys haven't written that down yet, please do so because that will be the only day you're given to take that final. So if you miss it, you've missed the final, and that is 10% of your grade, okay? Next week is going to be a review, so I will have a review set up each day. I'll probably also have a Google Meets at 9:30 each day. I'll post the recordings if you guys want to go back and watch them as well, okay? I do have a Google Meets today from 11 to 2. So if you guys want to join that Google Meets, you can. I'm going to help you with any questions you may have. It's mainly for like an NTI check-in. So if you have any NTIs, please check in with me. A lot of you didn't complete the quiz from yesterday. I'm not sure if you're trying to wait and study a little bit more, which is fine. So if you guys finish that today and upload your scratch work, please let me know. You can hop on that Google Meets. And a lot of you completed your quiz, but you didn't submit your scratch work. So remember, it's gonna no scratch work is no grade. So once you guys submit that, please let me know. I also uploaded that 5-7 review. So the Google Meets we had yesterday, if you guys want to watch that before you take your quiz, if you haven't taken it yet, I would definitely suggest doing so. You have 2 attempts, don't forget. So if you haven't taken your quiz, or if you have but only took it once, please keep in mind you have 2 attempts, okay? You will not get a retake for this quiz because it is our last assignment and I need to put in grades, okay? I can help you answer any questions. So some of you had concerns about concepts, so please join the Google Meets. I don't mind doing a one-on-one session with you. So if you have questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to answer them for you, okay? Let's see. Next order of business. The last day to retake any graded assignments is today. So if you, actually, let me correct that statement. The last day to retake any graded assignments from digital learning is today, not from the past. I'm talking about the ones that we've provided, because normally I think we did 3 or 4 assignments where you had 2 attempts and then the next Friday you were able to retake. We're not going to do any retakes prior to digital learning, so please keep in mind today is the last day, okay? If you have any NTIs, the last day to turn those in is the 18th. I need to get grades done by the 19th, so the last day to get any NTIs for me completed and submitted is the 18th. I will do one last thorough vet on the 18th in case you haven't told me that you've completed anything, just to make sure that I found it and that I am giving you credit for your work, okay? So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. I do have a surprise for you coming soon, and that will be near the end of the school year. So stay tuned, and I look forward to seeing you guys today. Bye.